Presenting a rare vintage 1924 Maggie Jiggs Tin wind-up toy. Give the key a few good turns and watch Maggie and Jiggs flail away at one another in good old-timey fashion. Maggie and Jiggs were characters from the popular comic strip Bringing Up Father. In the comic, Jiggs, an immigrant and member of the working class, becomes a millionaire after winning the Irish sweepstakes. With their newfound riches, his wife Maggie becomes a social climber, while Jiggs remains content to live his old life eating corned beef and cabbage and socializing with his old buddies. Much of the comedy evolves from Maggie trying to get Jiggs to take on the manners of high society. The strip was the creation of George McManus and was published for almost 90 years beginning in 1913. The characters were the subjects of Broadway plays, movies, and were even commemorated on a U.S. postage stamp in 1995. This toy was produced in Germany in 1924 and carries the copyright of International Features Syndicated, which published the comic strip. An earlier Fighting Roosters wind-up toy with similar action was produced by the same manufacturer.